Installing Marley dance flooring is a simple task over hardwood floors or other hard, flat surfaces. Beginning with a clean floor, roll out the Marley and tape down the edges using vinyl dance floor tape. If the Marley needs to be cut to size, you'll need a sharp utility knife with a fresh blade and a straight edge guide. Measure the length of the floor you'd like and mark that distance with a pen or marker. Make sure to place something under your Marley that you can cut on to make sure you don't damage the subfloor. In this case, we'll use the cardboard box the roll was shipped in. Then line up your straight edge with the marks. Following your straight edge guide, use a series of shallow scores with the sharp utility knife until you cut through the Marley. Keep in mind, you'll need to leave at least 1 inch of space around the perimeter of your Marley floor for taping down. Once you have all the Marley cut to size, begin by taping the seams with the vinyl dance floor tape. Then finish by taping down the perimeter of your floor and enjoy your new Marley dance floor. If this will be a temporary installation, be sure to keep the tube that the roll came on for your storage or transportation needs. Storing the roll upright on the tube will prevent waves from forming in the Marley. Great Mats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Great Mats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today.